Okay, welcome to Amazing Sensory Designs, and this is another sensory kit here, and we're going to do a quick training on this kit. So let's start off with the stretchy here. With this, you can do so many different things. Let's start off by putting this around the individual, and this gives going like a stretching motion. So you're going to breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, and you can actually get in on the other side of the kid, and it gives a compression feel for sensory input, and also you can do some gross motor activities here. You can stretch it. Stretching exercises where you grab one end, and they're grabbing the other end, and you're pulling back and forth. That you can put it on your knee, both knees. This, breathing in, breathing out. Do a lot of different things with this. That. A lot. Make sure you're supervising them when they're utilizing this. Okay? Always supervision, very important. So that is the stretch band, sensory stretch band that's in the kit right here. Here, got your earplugs, disposable. You got a few different packs here, maybe about 4 or 5 packs here. Put them in the ears, and they're disposable. These are really good for blocking out loud auditory sounds that can cause sensory overload. And here, another product here. This is called an advanced fidget worm. So with this, it spreads out like that. So you could go while you're breathing in, breathing out, breathing in, breathing out, breathing in, breathing out, breathing in, breathing out, breathing in, breathing out. Same here, going the opposite direction, breathing in, breathing out. Breathing in, breathing out, breathing in, breathing out. This is really cool right here. Shoot. Zap, 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 zap. Really cool. Right here. This is for finger activities, and it has some textures right here, and on the bottom it could go 1, 2, 3, 4. Breathing in, 1, 2, 3, 4. Breathe out, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great for motor skills and sensory activities. Great for self-regulation. It's great. And of course the brush here, Therapeutic sensory brush, 5 fingers, up, breathing in, breathing out, 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 rubbing the palm of the hand, back of the hand, along the arms. It's great for sensory input. Now we're fidget here. Got the textures here, so you can rub all of the textures. And make sure you're demonstrating it first. Rubbing all of the textures here while you're breathing. these are the textures here on that side, textures on this side. All right. With that, Sensory Fidget Kit. Have any questions, please let us know. You can email us at dmays@AmazingSensoryDesigns or visit our website at Amazing Sensory Designs, or our Instagram page at Amazing Sensory Designs. Subscribe. Check out our website, AmazingSensoryDesigns.com. Thank you very much, and I appreciate your time.